All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is Evan, one of the founder of No Limit Emails. I hope you will enjoy the stream. And the stream I have lined up to show you everything that what No Limit Emails done so far is okay, guys. If you don't know, really don't know me, that's fine. You can see my name on screen. You can Google me. And of course, what I'm going to show you in here, I hope that will help you to kind of one you can understand what we are doing. Two, you can see that you have another options out there when it comes to the emailing and live communication. Three, you can have a system that richly is being built for you that you can control. And I will explain all, even show you demo inside, and as well as give you a free gift as you just watching this video. First of all, you can see this is my channel on YouTube. You can find me under my name, and I have few live videos in there. But majority contents I've been doing last few years, guys, in the No Limit Emails channel. So these are the channels that you can check out. So as a content wise, you can see in here on the specific channel, on the 30-day email challenge channel, we have quite a large amount of content in here. It's been going on for quite some time, uh, literally a couple of years now. You can check that out. Let me just see if this my cursor works. So you can go on here and check out. As you can see on this specific channel, there are 260 live videos, and they are live events, and they are, you can see in here, they are more than 30 minutes long, most of them, and is all related to challenges that we run and daily tasks that we did, especially with emails and email sending and processing. So check that out. And also, if you like the content over there, make sure that you subscribe as when we do live, so you can get a straightforward and notification, so you can get the content. So the next channel that we have is No Limit Emails main channel. And in here, as you can see, once more, we have 178 videos. They are all free, educational, and as well as me showing you what's going on in system. And you can see also that. And this evening, I also have another live stream lined up around about an hour time, hopefully when I end this, and we will kind of be live over there. And you can see daily streams. You can see conversation with members, and all the good stuff that we are sharing openly to the public, so to educate you what No Limit Email is, what we do, and what we provide for you. So check them out. And also you can check us out on Trustpilot, and you can see the testimonies that we get from the members that who's joined No Limit Emails. As you can see in here, all of them are 5-star testimonies, guys. This is all true words from members that experience in No Limit Emails. And of course, you can also share your business with us. Come join us in a live conversation in a public square room that which is currently open and has been going on for 1,500 hours non-stop. So as you can see in those testimonies, so the second part I want to really show you now is the sales page. So the sales page of No Limit Emails is the sales page here. When you landed on here, this is the prices that what we charge for what you get, and everything gets set up on your domain. Obviously, we host and activate your account, we maintain, and you get basically this kind of levels of send. Of course, bronze is 100,000 emails sent a month. You get one dedicated IP. Silver is 250K send a month. You get 2 dedicated IPs. Most popular is the gold package that you can send 1 email, 1 million emails a month with 3 dedicated IP. And of course, we have platinum, and this, which is unlimited count. You can send unlimited amount of emails. You get 5 dedicated IPs. And obviously, we give you free hosting. We host everything. We give you free SMTP from No Limit Email SMTP, and well as we give you our community. We help you basically day to day, and as well as we give you help as a live support. So if you need anything that you want to know about system, and of course you can check that out. And we only have very simple page in here and few testimonies, guys. And also in the description of this specific live video, I have put it the guide how you get your accounts activated, and just read that. I always recommend you to join one of the live conversation that we have on daily on YouTube, well as on a private rooms, so you can ask us a question, so we can understand your needs. According to that we can set up basically your email service for you and activate it and give you your login details, which is I will do just a moment. I will log in to my account and show you what's possible, what you can do, what I have personally done so far, and therefore just be patient with that and I will show you that. So again, once more, our sales page is hosted currently on through the Warrior Plus, because that's where we pay our affiliates. And of course, we also have affiliate program that we pay 30% on instant commission. When you become a paid member, you automatically get approved, so you can invite other people in, so get paid. That being said, let's go ahead and give you a little demo what's all about, and just hang out for that free thing I will show you guys, and you can go ahead and utilize that immediately for yourself. And let's go ahead and close some of this, so to just save some bandwidth, guys, in here, and also clear the clutter out of my desk, so you can see the no limit email channel and well as our live room in here. As you can see, I'm just going to close that for a minute, and I will kind of explain that just towards the end of the video. You can use that tool absolutely for free. So let me go back on the system itself. So this is what you get when you join No Limit Emails, guys, and your login page obviously is built on your domain. As you can see, this is not No Limit Emails domain. This is my own personal domain, but the back end of it, what you see in here, is being built and activated by No Limit Emails. Only thing that you can't change in here is this copyright that from No Limit Emails, and you can change this image in here as well as internal image. And I'm just going to log in and give you short run through what is really all about. So you can see the system has been active for quite a while on the specific domain, and I just been using a $97 package, just like anyone else would get that package. And so for this specific package, obviously I'm the founder, guys, I did lift the limits for this count. So this count has been active for about nearly 5 years now, and one IP, and pretty amazing things happen so far with this count. So this is the dashboard you get on your navigation pane, and here this side is related to your email day-to-day email work. And of course, you also have user settings in here. It gives you the themes and API access, create categories, system configuration, and obviously you can add users, webhooks, marketplaces. Not ours, guys, is Moetic, because we're using Moetic open source for this email function. But rest of the back end of it is we built, is belong to us. And of course, you can create custom fields and your own plugins and so on and so forth. That's in that side. And the other navigation in the side, you can see you have a calendar. Calendar shows you your email automation. If you got something automated, it will show up in here. Then you have contacts. Contacts, your main archive contacts. All of your contacts will go to here. And you can see in here on this specific domain, on this specific server, so far this specific domain alone has processed and sent over 10 million emails. And here are my numbers. So you can see right at the bottom in here, there is well over 10 million emails being processed and sent. And you also can see different kind of emails, also to different countries, basically global email, send emails to every possible emails out there, guys. And of course, you can see the data in here, and this is all public data. So I just want to show you this is available to everybody. Go and get it, guys, because they are business data, B2B data. So then you have a segments. Segments are lists, so you can see the list that I have been creating and uploading amounts of leads. You can see in here, and there's tons of them. So about 10 million contacts went in, and also verified, obviously, email sent. And you have the components. In the components, you have asset. So you can basically deliver asset, something like ebook or something like that. Imagine that I had this is my PDF. I want to ebook download to somebody, give it somebody when they opt in. Simply you just add it, and as soon as somebody click on that, it automatically delivers. So you can automatically download. As you can see, as soon as I click on here, and as you can see, it's already downloaded in my kind of desk in here. So then you have a form creation, just like any other um, autoresponders. So you can create many forms that you wish. And of course, you have landing page builder. And on the landing page builder, you can also see, you can create landing pages. As you can see, I have quite a few of them. I've been kind of testing and kind of building them, deleting them, you name it. It just, you can go ahead and basically create many landing pages as you want. So then you have dynamic content creation part, which is you can use this for your pages as well as your emails, which is I will show you how you build emails. And obviously you have your campaigns for your email automation. For example, I'm just going to check this one here. Right now it's not active, but you can see simply you can create them and you can launch your campaigns, things like this. So I'm capturing from this form, pushes to the segment. From segment, I'm sending emails, and obviously they get different tagged, and every basically bit of the journey for lead nurturing. This is what you can do too. So I'm just going to close that. So that's your email automation part, and then you have obviously your channels. You have four different elements in here. You have marketing message, which is you normally use internally, and you have emails, which is your broadcast emails, and you have obviously focus items, which is your landing pages, and you have also social monitoring. If you want to add your social, let's say you have a pretty decent social following, that you can add your usernames related to basically your firm or yourself, that anybody mentioned you around the internet. Also, you'll get a notification, all that to do with communication. Obviously, you want to get notifications, somebody had mentioned you somewhere. And on the email side, I will get back to that, and I will show you and send a demo email just a moment, and you will see how it works. So the point wise, you can basically give a points to the leads that opted in, and according to that, you can nurture, basically based on the interaction, you can nurture these leads and set up a different kind of communication emails with them. And of course, you have also stages to do that. Um, you can stage each lead basically depending on the kind of interest on your emails, on your products. According to that, you can set up a different kind of automation running and different kind of communication that normally, let's say, you're going to broadcast to a bunch of people, but you also have people that actually interacted with you. That's why you can create a point system for them, apply the points, and well as create stages for them, so you can stage them so they can receive specific kind of information from you or emails. So then you have your overall system reports. You can get that, and you can also create tags. And obviously in this specific system, I have live elements in here installed. Normally we have changed that now. You don't get that, but you get that as a free URL for the public scene. I do apologize if I'm looking sideways, guys. My screen's that side, so that's why I'm not looking this way. So this is basically your own autoresponder email service, so to speak. You get, so you can do all these tasks without really spending extra money or having extra tool to do so. So let's go ahead how this thing works. When you get into the no limit emails, you have basically this dashboard in here, and also you have obviously this navigation, and everything starts with literally either list, you capture lead, or you upload leads. So in my case, I'm just going to upload leads so you can see how it works. So first thing first, when you get in, you just simply go to segments and create a new segment. In our case in here, as you can see, I'm just going to create a new one. In my case will be a day 526, I think. So 526. I'm just going to get rid of that. 526. This is my list. That's basically, I'm not filling anything else up. I'm not doing any filter. I'm not even categorizing this. So we're just going to save and close. So now we have our list. Next thing we're going to do is import some contacts to it. So let's go ahead and go to the contacts. So the function to import the contacts is in the contacts, but we don't upload directly to the contacts. We upload to the lists, and then they all appear in here as you archive. Obviously, all of the leads that you upload or capture will show up in here. So the function for that to import is you just go to the next and new, this drop down arrow, and you see the import function in here. Of course, you can export as well. You can also check your history in here, and opens up this pop-up. And this pop-up is, as you can see, you just got to select a file. We just got to choose file. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab a list here, just a second. So you will see how simple and quick really is. I'm just going to import small leads, guys. Nothing too huge. Just a second. Let's just go back here. And let's say this is 5K. Let's just get this 5K. And again, no setting change. This is just batch number, and that's how many emails will kind of process at one go. You don't change that, just default leave that, and we just hit upload. And now pops up, obviously, CSV file. So we're going to change our name. Is going to be me. And then I'm going to just punch in here date 526. We will find that segment we just created, i.e. the list. As you know, I didn't create a tag on the CSV file. There is only emails, but yours can be more. So you just match them. The one that you can't match, just select the IT or ID, or just leave it empty. Should be all right as long as you're matching few. And the top in here, you see there is two options. One, you can import in a browser, and then the other one, you can import in a background. If list is a little bit bigger than what I'm doing right now, I highly recommend you do it in the background. But if the list is something like between 1K, 5K, something like that, and you have a time to wait that you don't need to do much on your screen, that you can do it in the browser. I'm going to do it on the browser to show you how it works. So right now, the system is going to obviously read the CSV file, process it, and upload it for us. And same time, when doing this task in here, and also verifies those leads. So as soon as this bar hits the end, essentially we are ready to send email to these people. So you can see the speed. Currently, obviously, I'm streaming online, so my bandwidth is a little bit strict. That's why I always recommend not do it on a screen like that. Always do it on the background. Literally, this 5K will just take a minute or so to upload. So let's just wait for this to kind of reach into the end. Welcome everyone who's watching on YouTube. I do appreciate you. So essentially what we are doing in here, we are just, let's say, uploading a list, and we're just going to do a cold outreach to these people. Obviously, the idea in here is reaching out to people without misleading them, without trying to scam them, without kind of literally lying to people. It's all about legitimacy, all about truth. It's all about you introducing yourself to the rest of the world and your business, what you offer. And of course, we always start with you introducing yourself to these people and you leave into it. If they interact with you, then you follow up. If they didn't interact with you, you move on to the next part, the next list. So the whole idea is you have a system that you literally can reach out to the whole world at one go if you want to, if you have all the data. But, and also you have a system that's under your control, and you should not really abuse the contact that you have of people, because they are people, they are real. And of course, we also do not tolerate, guys, this is not about you giving you the system that you spam the world. This is about building a system for you so you can control your contact data, so you can have a basically sustainable, scalable outreach, a machine that you control, you own, and of course, you operate. And we're just behind the scene and helping you to maintain everything and host everything, and of course making sure that your emails are being processed and delivered properly, legally, and obviously authentically, because we give you dedicated IPs. All our IPs are already have a good green handshake with every ISPs out there, and you don't have to worry about warming up IPs. But what we do is we warm your system up so it can communicate proper with the rest of the world, which is you take it slow for about 30 days. After that, all gates are open. So as you can see, we uploaded this. This is didn't found any bad data. Obviously, I have verified this leads before, and as you can see, is merged it to the previous one. I just want to show you how you import, guys. This is done now, and when you go back onto the segments, you will see that contacts are actually uploaded to that list we just created. And here you can see it's 5,000. So the next part for this is email. So to send an email, guys, is very, very simple with this specific system, because we use Moetic. If you never heard of Moetic, is okay. It is open source tool to just process this part of the emails. But the back end of it, for actually send emails, you get no limit emails infrastructure with SMTP, with dedicated IPs, with email verifier and everything else. So you can send and process, obviously, bulk emails, large scale emails. So let's go ahead and actually create a email and send that email. So yesterday's email, as you can see, I have sent to 100,000 people, guys. The previous one I sent 160K, 94K, 150K, 140K. Just you can see the dates in here. You can see the amounts, and you also can see amount of reads. But just remember the high volume in here, the numbers that I'm interested in, guys, is this on the green, what they read, which is that I can then do some follow-ups to them. Remember, we are sending huge volume to get kind of some people to interact with it, and it's about really just signal generation. So let me just go back on clone this email. I'm just going to clone it. I don't want to waste your time, guys, to kind of build a brand new email and everything else. Go to the channel. There is literally hundreds of videos that already on the channel that you can watch, and you can see how we kind of write emails and all that good stuff. You can learn absolutely for free. So because I'm just cloning, I'm just going to change this here, which is my subject line. In this case, I'm going to say this email talks to you. And then I just question mark, and that's basically my subject line. I'm not going to change the email content. In this one, I'm just going to change this to 26. That's how I'm labeling. I'm just going to remove this lists in here, guys, and we're going to add this list we just added, day 256. This is the list we just added. And then I'm just going to add another list because I send it about well over 100K, guys. I don't want to just drop it to send, let's say, 5K. I want to send a little bit volume to at least kind of, at least not drop it too low comparison previous emails that I sent. So I'm just going to put day, let's put a day 200, email day 200. Let's put day 300, let's say email date 30 plus 1, and this should get us around close to a 100K. Let me just save it and we just check, see what's the numbers are there that we can send this email to. Uh, so you can see about 140K, which is great. I'm just going to turn it on so this we can publish this. So now it's published. All I have to do is literally hit again in here to open it up. And obviously, I'm going to show you the email content, guys. This is the going to go actually into the live room. So this is the email content that I set up yesterday. If you watched yesterday's stream, as you can see, this emails now can talk to people. I'm actually live inside emails, guys. So you can see that. I'm just going to mute myself in there, but you can see my camera actually is now inside email. So if I send this email out, literally I will be live inside that email. So that's the whole point in it. So the email content is something like this, and that's basically it. And we're going to hit send, and we're going to send this email out, guys. So if we hit send and send, so you can see we just uploaded that list, but I also have previous lists, guys. Now I'm just sending this cold email out to this many people. So if your email can't do this, doesn't allow you to do this, and you see me doing this just right now in front of you and explaining to you what No Limit Email's capabilities are and how it works, you just seeing basically the whole process. You have a good email server, you have a good dedicated IP address, you have a space that you could upload millions of contacts, and of course reach out to the millions of people. So you can see amount of emails that I personally have sent with just one single IP and one single domain that I own. There is no other inboxes. There is literally you just have the system now, and I'm just using it and sending those emails out. As just you saw in here, is already we've seen nearly 3,000 emails went out. So every emailers out there, they claim to be bulk emailers, guys. They claim to be good verifiers. They claim to be a user-friendly, internet marketers friendly. They claim to give you some freedom, but they're not, guys. We've seen them all. Absolutely, they are not. And this is why we created No Limit Emails, because we were just burning like you do, and we needed a solution for ourselves. So we built this for ourselves. It works so well, and we released it to the world. We try to help everybody else in the world. So while this is doing this, and I'm also going to show you that the gift that I really promised you, so you can use it straight away and right now. So the gift is to the whole world, guys, is Meet No Limit Emails live rooms. So you can go there, cancel your Zoom. So you saw me being live inside a email, and I'm just going to make a room in here. Let's say demo room. All right. And I'm just going to hit go live. Remember, I didn't have to create any count. I didn't give any details. I didn't give a number. I just went there and created this. Look, I'm live there. Let me switch my camera on so you can see me over there. So right now this is running. So with this live UI, you can do a lot of things. You can invite how many people you have. You can invite thousands of people, and also you can record your screen, share your screen, and when you record it, it downloads directly to your device. Let's just do that so you can see what's going on. So I'm just going to hit record, and I'm just going to start recording. And as you can see, is now obviously maybe it's like asking me to add my mic because it didn't hear me, like. But let me try again. So let's start a recording. And let's start record, and I will allow it. And now as we are recording, as you can see this thing and turned red. And while that's doing that, show you some kind of features in here. So in here, you can see you can invite people. You can do the performance setting, obviously your viewers. You can see the full screen. You can set up a security option. which is your password, and also make an encryption in here. So if I go here, I enable lobby and add a password. I can also switch this on, and then you can also do end-to-end encryptions. So this is some of the settings that you can kind of play with. You can also share a video, you can share audio, you can also select your background, you can see participant stats, you can see your settings, you can see view shortcuts, you can also embed this. Just you saw me embedding this to basically the other here. So I'm live on two places, as you can see inside email. I'm still live, guys. So I'm live in a few places. I'm just going to drag this to this way, so this keep continuing. So make sure that is always stays on, so that so your emails going off. So you can see the really the good use for this. This is just literally our way of saying thank you to everybody and giving back to the community, the whole world. So you can have a bit of freedom in the internet, that you can have a piece of corner of the internet for yourself, for your business, for your family, you name it, for your groups, for your charities, for your churches, for your mosques, for your businesses is all totally free. That's without tracking, without spying on you, and without advertising, without cookies, and literally is just part of our domain. We want the rest of the world to use for benefit of everybody else out there. So I hope you can enjoy this in specific URL and make use of it, guys, and let us know what you think. And let us know if you enjoyed your live streams with Meet No Limit Emails live streaming. And of course, you can invite your friends, play games. It's totally free, guys. It stays on long as you stay on. Literally, there is no shutdown. There is no time restriction, and you are totally free communication, guys. But if you see some other people's IPs, block people and things like that, guys. But we wanted just whole world to be free to communicate with each other, to help each other, to collaborate, guys. This is the reason why we release this to the public. We don't charge anything for it. We don't ask for donations. It's just basically browser that is functioning for you. So I'm just going to stop so you can see we've been recording quite a bit, and I'm just going to go back and stop the recording, and I'm confirming it, and you will see it will drop that recording just a moment. And you can see in here, guys, it's dropped the recording directly to my device. So there is no third party snooping on you or listening into your conversation, guys. Totally secure, totally anonymous, and is much better than Zoom and any other kind of platform that you use. They will spy on you. And go ahead, use Meet No Limit emails, basically to save yourself tons of money, and as well as have a private place on the internet that you can communicate. And this is for everybody in the world, guys. There is no restriction globally. We don't have a kind of any restriction on anyone. We just want whole world to see it and use it for their own benefit. And that's the Meet No Limit emails gift for you guys. I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you never go really away from the stream empty-handed. And of course, my goal is in here to explain to you guys. We built No Limit emails because all this kind of problems that exist. I'm just going to also end the stream in here, guys, so you probably see me double. So you see how it works, right? And go ahead and try that. And I'm also going to go back. You see, I am still live, guys, inside this email. This room has been on for 1,502 hours and still continuing. So you don't have an email that does this kind of stuff, guys. This is the first time ever you've seen somebody like us doing this, because literally no one else in the world provide this kind of technology, allow you to kind of do this kind of things. So we basically democratizing communication for whole world, including the email. And this is what you just saw me doing. And so far, I will bring back this basically emails that what we are sending, and you can see that too. side by side. So right now this email is going out, guys, and I'm sending people to this room to come and talk to us. And this is the email that we just set up and sending. So you saw me setting this email up and just cloning existing email. So you see I am basically inside that email here, and email is going out. So far, as you can see, is processed over 20,000. And of course, when you're doing this kind of large scale, guys, 100K, 150K, make sure that you don't have to do much in your laptop for a while or your mobile phone. By the way, I can do this also on my mobile phone. You simply just go, and when you have account, you get an application, you get your URL, and you simply just go and log in. When you do, you can also utilize your mobile phone literally to do the emailing. So you get something like this on your phone, and you just click on it, and as you can see, it's popped up the UI. So it's asking me to log in. So if and I'm just going to log in on my phone. I'm just going to sign in. So as now you can see, I have signed in my phone, and I can actually send, build, do the live, everything else through my mobile phone as well. So you can see there's lots of data in my dash. And obviously, when you get your count, you don't have this kind of like, let's say, graphs and things happening. But this is pretty absolutely amazing system that just literally is amazing time-saving system for myself, well as obviously everybody else in our network, that we try to help everybody to do the email marketing as well as live communication. So this is a little bit live walkthrough, a demo for No Limit Emails, and also just introducing myself again once more to the YouTube crowd. And if you really don't know me, doesn't really matter, guys. What you need to know, you need to have a good tool that you can open, log in, and control and do your business, do your communication with. So you just saw me uploading a bunch of leads and sending literally tons of emails at really at your fingertip. And as you can see, well as email going out live, and you will see now and then we will have people popping into this basically live room, guys. So I'm just going to also close that to just save myself some kind of bandwidth, and to just show you basically what's going on here. Obviously, this is going to take a little bit of time, guys, to kind of conclude this campaign going out. But well, this is doing, and I also kind of wanted really um, share relevant information with you, share what's really working right now. As you just saw me uploading leads and sending, guys, is working. So this specific system that we have is absolutely, if you are serious in the internet and you want to do a serious business and you want to serious scaling and you want to have a serious outreach and you want to have a serious place that you can control your own data, your own destiny, this is the way to do it. And we are so affordable, anyone can afford it. Remember, our literally uh, first package is a 67 bucks. So 67 bucks, guys, you're not going to be even hire or rent a dedicated IP anywhere. Never mind dedicated IP for bulk email. So dedicated IP for bulk emails, you're looking in between 500 to a couple of $1,000s a month just rent. But we give you that. And not just that, you get full-on separated, isolated server that is tuned to verify and to process and send emails, guys. And this is what we kind of got obviously set up for you. And as you can see, this is my own domain. I'm reaching out through my own domain. And of course, I'm using a same system, same tooling, same backend as everyone else that get into the No Limit emails, because it's exactly same thing. Even you are on smallest package, you still get absolutely full on backend that is nothing being cut off. So you still need that verify, you have basically included. So you can upload absolutely still unlimited contact, even you have a smallest package. Is there is absolutely no contact upload limits. But yes, you have a little bit sending limits. It's just to make fair, guys. It's not fair for you to pay $67 to send unlimited, then somebody paying us, let's say, $397 month because that package allows them to do that. So on a fair side of things, plus you can become affiliate, and everyone that you invited, we pay you 30% instead commission. And last 4 years, we have not failed a single affiliate payments, guys, because Warrior Plus takes care of that automatically, and you get paid when you invite somebody before we do. So go ahead, come and try us, guys. There is absolutely nothing like this compared even exist in the world. That's why we created, because I've been into the internet marketing, guys, since really internet exists, and I've been involved into the online stuff for a few decades now. I have seen it a lot. I have basically failed a lot, and many tools that I joined failed me, and that's why we created no limit emails. You know, I was using Aweber, I was using GetResponse, I was using Mailchimp, you name it. Every single one of them out there I have used and tried, and every single one of them really either banned me or suspended me because I want to reach out lots of people, guys, and they will not really allow you to do that. And therefore, they suspended my account, hijacked my lists, and so on and so forth. So we needed solution for ourselves, and this is what we built. And this is basically for everybody out there who's serious that want to start a online, solid online communication lines, well as outreach machine for themselves. There is no one better currently that we could compare no limit emails to. There is plenty emails out there, guys, but they're not no limit emails. That's the reality. They will not allow you to do what I just showed you to do. There is not a single online platform out there that doesn't want to suck your blood. That's the reality. And this is why we built No Limit Emails to help everybody in the world to have a good communication server, good communication business, and as well as safe and secure for your growth. So you can see it is absolutely amazing machine that you can obviously outperform everyone else when it comes to the email communication, well as comes to the social media and everything else, guys. I don't, to be honest, excuse me, I've been kind of like not using Facebook for quite some time. Useless. I do use YouTube, guys. Only time that I'm YouTube, I'm not watching videos. I'm just doing either one live stream and getting out of the social media, and that's basically how it is. Most of my interaction coming through the email by reaching millions of people every single year on year, guys. This is like absolutely amazing what happened just with one domain. Since March, I started this specific server, kind of revamped it, rewiped it out, and then retuned. We uploaded 10 million emails March till now, guys. So I personally reach out to the over 10 million people since March 2024 to April 2025. So show me which email platform out there that single individual in this short period of time and did this many emails. But remember, I did this just like normal everybody else would do, guys. But the system itself is very capable of sending between 50 to 150 million emails every single day with one single setup just like this. We have a clients, they do 200 million emails a day, guys. We have clients, they do 50 million emails a day. We have clients, they do million emails a day. We have clients, they do 1,500 emails a day. But generally speaking, it is totally open to basically whatever number you could scale to, guys, is there. So we have proven to you guys over the period of years, you can check our content out. I've given you the channels. I've given you the content that's in the channels totally free, guys. I personally don't sell courses. I don't sell gimmicks. I don't sell even software, guys. So this is not the software we are selling. This is absolutely backbone infrastructure, hosting, server, technicians, our team, and everything else included to help you to do this. As you can see, since we've been live, guys, I already sent 50,000 emails. So another 15, 20 minutes. Obviously, I don't want to hang in here on YouTube to wait this concluded. If you want to see the result of this, guys, come back into the YouTube No Limit Emails YouTube channel this evening. About in 15 minutes time, I will be live over there. So I hope you enjoy this. It's coming directly from me. I'm one of the creators, guys. If you have any question, comment below. And if you like the content on my channel, please subscribe so I can do more. And of course, most of my live contents, guys, every single day, we are on No Limit Emails channel. Well, as you just saw, I've been on that private room for about 1,500 plus hours and continues. So I hope you enjoy this one. I hope you can see something absolutely different option there for you to try, especially if you're struggling for cold email outreach, email processing. Uh, just bring your dead list back, guys, and back to the live. Upload it, see what's verified, what's not, what's valid, what's not, and set up an email and send an email. And if you want me to do that for you, jump in one of the live rooms, bring your list, and I will do it all in front of you. When we conclude it, I will delete it and obviously download it and give you your clean list, well as deleted that list I upload in front of your eyes. So to be on the safe side on your end and my end, we can be in a live room and share my screen with you. And so you can watch exactly what's happening. And of course, when the task is concluded, and I will give you your clean list back. So you just saw, took me a few minutes to upload 5,000. But literally, system uploads, you can upload 10, 100,000 emails on the background, 10 minutes. You're ready to go and send an email. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Have a great Saturday, guys. And once more, thank you for watching. And I look forward to doing another live. And this is just short, basically, live walkthrough about No Limit Emails. No Limit Emails is a lot more than email, guys. It's not just email service provider. As you just saw, we're giving you amazing live UI just for free. So come and try us, guys, and to see what we can do to help you to reach millions of people with small budget. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And of course, jump in to the No Limit Emails YouTube channel and watch me about 15 minutes time. We will do another session and have a chat with members over there too. Take care, good luck, and happy sending, everyone.